Hello students, in this video we will discuss some problem from exercise 8.3. So question number 5 is given here. Anil borrowed 18,000 from Rakesh at 8% per annum as a simple interest for 2 years. And if Anil borrowed this sum 18% per annum compound interest, what extra amount would he has to pay? That means firstly you have to find out the simple interest, then you have to find out the compound interest. So you know about the simple interest formula, that is SI is equal to PRT by 100. Just put the value. P is principal, R is rate of interest, that is 8%, and T is time is 2 years. Just put the value, you will get the simple interest. Here now you have to find out the compound interest. So how to find out the compound interest? So compound interest is equal to, we know that, amount minus principal. So firstly you have to find out the amount. So what is the formula of finding the amount? P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. So just put the values, you will get the amount. Now from this amount you have to subtract the principal. So principal is given here 18,000. So just subtract it, you will get the compound interest. Now here asking you what extra amount would he pay? He has to pay. So we know that compound interest is always bigger than the simple interest. That means you have to subtract the simple interest from the compound interest. Then you will get the value of x. That means this much extra amount he has to pay if he borrowed this same amount of money in compound interest. Now go to question number 7. So question number 7 is given here. Harriman invested 10,000 in a company. He would pay interest 7% per annum compound annually. Find the amount received by him at the end of 2 years. Here is compounded annually per annum 7%. Principal is 10,000. Now you have to find out the amount. So easily you can find out the amount by using this formula. Now our second question is the interest for the third year. So you have to find out the third year interest only. So what to do? Firstly you have to find out the amount in the third year. Here this is our amount in the third year, and the amount in the second year is this much. So you have to subtract the amount of the second year from the amount of the third year. Then we will get the interest paid in the third year. Now go to question number 9. So question number 9 is given here. What sum invested for 1.5 year compounded half yearly at the rate of interest 8% per annum will amount 1,40,680. So here is given half yearly interest. That means how many year is given here? 1.5 year. So in this 1.5 year, how many times the money be compounded? 3 times. Clear? So 3 times can money be compounded. So n is here 3. This question n is here 3, and amount is here this much, and rate of interest is this. If the rate of interest is 8% per annum, then the rate of interest is 4% in half yearly. Now put the values. You have to find out the value of P. So we know that A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. This is the relation between A, P, R and N. Which things are given? A is given, R is given and N is given. So just put the values. P is left here. You can find out the value of P from here. Here. Now in this way you can solve left of the problem in this exercise. Thank you everyone.